When body is finished, everything is finished, so...
That is their foolishness. You are a child, that body is finished. So you have got a different body. That is simple truth they do not understand. That is their folly. If the body is finished, then why you are a child, you have become a young man? Body is finished, but not everything finished. Everything is there. Only the body is finished. Na hannate hannamane sarire. This is explained. So when the body is finished, that does not mean you are finished. You have to accept another mode. That is the truth. And it is spoken by Krishna, not any so-called scientist. The Supreme Person says, Na hannate hannamane sarire. What did they say about this statement of Krishna? Hannate, na hannate, hannamane sarire. When your body is finished, you are not finished.
But they won't accept Krishna either.
That's how rascal they are.
Now, if that is so, suppose body is finished and Atma is Amar. So, why Atma suffers next generation for the deeds done by the body in this life?
Because Atma is continuation.
Continuation, I understand. Suppose my body is doing some sins.
Not body is doing, you are doing.
I am doing, that means
Yes, therefore you must suffer.
Atma is not doing. Atma is Amar.
Atma is doing. Therefore Atma is suffering.
Because Atma
You are not doing. When the Atma is gone out of your body, the body does not do anything.
All right.
Then,
I agree. Atma,
yeah.
Atma is Amar. So it is eternal. It has no death, no life, no. It has got a birth, it has got a death that is only a superfluous. They are only for the consolation. But actually that does not die. Body dies or body is destroyed and that is put to fire or that is buried. But when I do something good or bad in this life, so I am doing.
You are doing, therefore you must suffer.
But that is not Atma. Why Atma is responsible?
They do not know.
Isn't it Atma?
You are the Atma.
You do not understand that you are Atma, Aham Brahmasmi. That you do not understand. You think I am body. That is nonsense.
But that point is not clear in my mind.
Why not clear?
Because that, I don't know why not clear. Because that's not clear.
That means your intelligence is not clear.
Naturally, that's what I say.
So, Atma, that is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Antavatri me deha nittasya ukta saririna. Nittasya ukta, nittasya ukta. Saririna. Saririna means the soul who possesses this body is nitta. So you have to enjoy or suffer the reaction of your activities. Karuna daivanatrina. You have got a type of body on account of your activities.
But how Atma, suppose I am doing some sins, but how Atma...
You are doing sin, you have to control.
What does the Lord mean in Bhagavad Gita when he says that
I have
only the modes of material
You
nature
are
act?
committing sinful life, so you have to rectify
Who is
yourself.
the controller of my body? Atma is the controller of
Yes.
So if I am doing sins, you mean to say that Atma is doing, because that is, he is responsible.
Yes.
If a manager does, if the worker does something wrong, the manager is indirectly responsible.
No. Why do you say manager? You are doing. Suppose, that is not suppose.
Then
You are doing sinful activities or pious activities. It is you. Atma. Jivatma.
So that means Jivatma, that he is responsible for any good or bad deeds of my life.
Yes.
That is the controller of the body.
Yes.
So she is responsible.
But body is only means. Suppose your motor car, you are driving this way or that way. The motor car is not driving you.
Naturally.
You are driving the motor car.
That point is right.
What does it mean in Gita Bhagavad when Krishna says only the modes of material nature are acting?
Material nature means because you are in disease condition in this material world. Therefore, according to the infection, just like you have got body and he has got body. You are suffering from typhoid, he is suffering from smallpox. So you have contaminated the typhoid germs and he has contaminated smallpox. So this body is after all material body. So there is infection of the material nature, Trigunatma. Therefore you have to transcend this position of Trigunatma, then you are king. Mancha Bhavicharini Bhakti Yogena Jasevote Sagunan Samatittayetan Brahma Bhuvayaka. If you transcend the infection of the three modes of material nature, then you are safe. So long you do not transcend, just like so long you infect some disease, then you must suffer. But if you don't infect, you will not suffer. That is up to you. There is disease, cholera disease, why shall I go there? Why shall I infect my body in that way? That is up to you. If you don't take precaution, then you'll suffer.
Soul is pure, part and parcel of Krishna.
Yeah, but he is covered by the material body. The material body is infected by the modes of material nature. Therefore, although he is pure, he is subjected. Just like when there is motor accident, you are separate from the motor, but you have to suffer. Everyone knows that I am separate from motor car, but why I am suffering? Because you have got a bad car, you must suffer.
That may be because I'm an imperfect driver.
So you are imperfect, therefore this movement is to make you perfect. If you are not imperfect, then why the movement is there? To make you perfect. Samsiddhing paramangata mamupita kauntiya dukkhalayam sad. So long you are imperfect, you must suffer in this material world. And as soon as you become perfect, you go back to home. Because you are imperfect, therefore this movement is necessary. Medicine is there for the patient, not for the person in perfect health. These rascals, they do not know Krishna. Therefore Krishna consciousness movement is necessary. Paropakar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Paropakar. You know yourself what is Krishna and distribute this knowledge. That is one thing. And that is entrusted to the Indians. Bharat bhumite manusya janma haila ja, janma sarthak kari karo paropakar. This is one thing.
The doer and the non-doer of the activities, or his sinful activities, or because the soul is pure, so...
Yeah, just like when you are condemned to death by the judgment of the High Court. So who is the doer? High Court judge or you? Is the High Court judge your enemy that he has condemned you to death? He has given the judgment. You cannot say he is the doer. You are the doer. So Atma and Paramatma. You do and Paramatma gives judgment. Daivanetrena, by the superior judgment. This is your position.
But it is said all the actions are carried out by three modes of material nature.
Yes.
Atma is just non-doer.
Huh?
Atma doesn't do
No,
anything.
he has put himself to the shelter of material nature.